Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to post a photo on your feed. So it's super simple. You can either post a photo on your main feed, on a public feed, or you can post it on your profile feed. So all you have to do is to post it on your feed is go to your profile in the top left corner, and you can post on your feed right over here. But we're going to go and post it on the public feed. So we can click on photo or video on the posting tab right over here. And now we can click on add photo or video. And now it'll take us to our finder in our computer. And if we have that photo or video, saved on our computer, we'll be able to just click on it and post it. So I want to go to my recents. I'm going to post this photo right over here and then click open. And now all I have to do now is click post, and I've successfully posted a photo on to the public feed. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.